Hey everybody, welcome back again. Thought we'd take this Sunday as another great opportunity to remind you of yet another amazing community program we've got going on in Summit County through our friends at HC3. But I'm talking about Summit County's Solarize Summit program. And that is essentially a program for folks like yourselves who are probably curious about getting some rooftop solar installed at home so that you can start to reap those energy saving benefits and really contribute to some clean energy generation right here at your house in Summit County. This program is for you. So Solarize Summit runs through the end of the month. If you sign up through HC3's website by May 31st, you qualify for this program. That essentially sets you up with a free and totally no obligation site visit at your house from some local solar installers that we work with to check out the feasibility of your roof, get a system that's sized and designed appropriately for your home and for your energy use needs. And we'll get you all set up down that pathway to having a successful installation of solar panels at your house. And again, all of that info and all of the sign up steps are found on High Country Conservation Center's website. It's highcountryconservation.org. Check them out and be sure to check us out again next week. Thanks again.